Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Alright, so in this video today, I'm going to be making a wood DIY with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so all of the items, as I said, except for these apple barrel paints, did come from the Dollar Tree, including the ribbon. And so we're going to go ahead and start out painting this wood round with the, I think it's called Paint Cameo, apple barrel from Walmart. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called What Would You Make? And the host of this collaboration is Rustic and Lace DIY and Divine Design. We also have a guest host, and it's Farmhouse Frugal. So pretty much I'm giving it that first coat of paint, and it's not going to need anything else. And then we're going to move on to the next step. So now the Dollar Tree is carrying these beautiful wood frame like cutouts, and they do come round and they also come square, but we grabbed a round one today. And then I'm going to go ahead and paint that in a different color. I'm using this green. I'm not really sure the name of it right now offhand. So we're going to go ahead and color the frame, and then I'll be right back. So now for Valentine's Day, they were carrying the Sweethearts ribbon and the Conversation Hearts, I think it's called. And this is perfect for this particular wall decor that I'm doing. Then I picked up some of the bunnies that were already colored in, already had glitter on them. So that's already done. We're going to go ahead and embellish the middle of this bow with one of those bunnies. Now I'm going to be using a few of the pieces from this wood cling that I purchased at Dollar Tree. Now you could either use it for what it's intended for, which is to cling them on your windows. I use them a lot for DIYs. I think they're perfect for it, and a lot come in there. So I'm going to go ahead and embellish and decorate this because that's my favorite part. Now I went ahead and I glued the bow. We already have the wood clings where we need them, and I am going to pull out some of that jute twine because that's going to be our hanger, but we got to go back and seal those wood clings in with some Mod Podge. Now, doesn't this wood decor look absolutely amazing? And it's absolutely great for Easter. And that's Matthew in the background talking. Oh, man. Okay, so we're going to head on over to the reveal. Now, this was definitely one of my favorite projects, so I hope that you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.